The memon car transformer is available in 3 sizes: A for cars, B for minibuses, camper vans and hybrids, C for buses, trucks or electric vehicles. Installation is simple. Remove the protective backing from the Velcro tape provided, place the transformer on the vehicle battery and press firmly. Installation is complete. The same installation procedure applies to all sizes. Please ensure, however, that the spot on the battery where the transformer will be placed is clean. The memon car transformer makes driving a real delight. Electro-smog is neutralized. The air quality is decidedly improved. Even after a long drive, you'll arrive relaxed and focused. Experience real stress relief and a new kind of vitality.